The tropical storm warning for Jamaica has been discontinued as Tropical Storm Elsa continues to move further away from the country. This means that the threat of tropical storm condition no longer exists for Jamaica. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica is still reeling from the effects of Tropical Storm Elsa as it moved further away from the country. This means that the tropical storm warning that was issued earlier for Jamaica has been lifted. At 7 p.m., the center of Tropical Storm Elsa was located near latitude 20.2 degrees north, longitude 78.7 degrees west, or about 209 kilometers or 130 miles northwest of Montego Bay, Jamaica. Elsa is moving towards the northwest near 24 kilometers per hour or 14 miles per hour, and this general motion is expected to continue through to Monday, followed by a turn towards the northwest on Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds remain at 95 kilometers per hour or 60 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some strengthening is expected before Elsa moves over Cuba, followed by some weakening while the center moves over the land. Tropical storm force will extend outwards up to 150 kilometers or 90 miles from the center. On the forecast track, Elsa will continue to move away from Jamaica and southeastern Cuba and approach south-central Cuba late tonight and early Monday. Although Elsa is no longer considered a threat to Jamaica, the island could continue to experience scattered showers and thunderstorms during tonight. Residents are therefore advised to remain on alert should occasional breakout of showers cause localized flooding. This is the final bulletin on Tropical Storm Elsa that will be issued by the Meteorologist Service of Jamaica. Further updates on the system and current weather condition will be included in later newscasts. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.